All right, guys, we're going to be doing some general maintenance today on the 2013 ZL1. We're going to be doing an oil change, which includes changing the oil filter, and I'm also going to be doing the rear differential on this car today. So stay tuned and follow along. What the fuck? Well, that's cool. I know that you are wrong, and this is not where you belong. Where you belong. This is not where you belong. I can give everything away. This is not where you belong. I won't give everything where you belong. This is not where you
I'm through with standing in line to clubs I'll never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be.
Tell me what you want.
I want a brand new house on an episode of Cribs, and a bathroom I can play baseball in, and a king-size bathtub big enough for 10 plus me.